You guys took too long to choose your partners. You two better pair up. You're the only ones without a partner now. Go.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to do this chemistry project together. We seem to get, the atom carbon. So, do you want to get started? Oh, did you not get caught up on this before? Well, what you do for the periodic table of elements is, for the main table, you have to read it from the very top to left and right, from hydrogen all the way down to the last one on the last row, which is, sorry. I'm a bit flustered. I'm not used to talking this much. Oh, do you just want to know about carbon? Since that is the one we have to do the poster on? Okay, so carbon is a non-metal, and the Latin symbol to match this element is C. That's why on the periodic table of elements it appears as the C. Did you know that? Oh, that's good. The atomic number is on the top right. Usually it's right above the C symbol on the periodic table of elements, but for the case of the project, it's on the top right. For the carbon, the atomic number that it is 6. Oh, do you not know what that means? Oh, okay, I'll explain. Well, the atomic number is the amount of protons is in the nucleus of that element. Usually the atomic number tells you how many electrons there is, since in a stable element there is equal protons and electrons. Most times the neutrons are the same amount as well. So for carbon, the amount of protons would be 6, the amount of electrons would be 6, and the amount of neutrons would be 6. The number below the elements and the common name we say it, so right under carbon is the atomic weight. For carbon, it's 12.011. Oh, you don't know what that means either. Oh, okay. So the atomic weight represents the combined weight of the particles in the nucleus, which includes all the protons and electrons and neutrons, all that stuff. So the atomic weight can tell us how much it weighs in perspective of atomic particles. So, for example, carbon, like I said, is 12.011. It's pretty cool, huh? I really do love chemistry. Usually, if the atomic weight isn't listed, you have to find it out based on the atomic number, but thankfully we're not at that portion of the class yet, so we're gonna have to do that sooner or later though, so better be ready. Are you all caught up now? Do you need me to explain it again? Or are you good? Okay. If you know, then we can move on to talk about the project. So the project says that we have to pretty much write down all the information that I told you, but we have to display it and present it into class like we have an understanding of the periodic table of elements and how it correlates to carbon. So I'm probably going to do all the artwork if you want me to. I'm really good at that stuff if you'd like. It's okay if you want to do it, of course. I don't mean to intrude. My handwriting's very small, so if you wouldn't mind, writing it out, you can write it in your own words, because I don't want the teacher to think that I did this whole project, because she always thinks that I do all the projects I'm assigned to other people. So please, I don't want to get in trouble. Can you please write it in your own words if it's not any trouble? I'm sorry. Could we get started on it at least? So here I could tell you a little, pretty much a rundown of everything. So for carbon, which is the element we were assigned, its atomic number is right above it, which is 6, and the C is the Latin abbreviation of the name, which is the common name carbon. Usually carbon is in carbon dioxide as a common example. And for the atomic weight, it's below the common name carbon, and that is the amount of protons and neutrons in the atom. The weight of them, I mean. The number 6 above the carbon is the amount of neutrons, protons, and electrons. I'm sorry. I got a bit mixed up there. But that's pretty much it. I don't mean to rush you. I just don't want to take up too much time on this project, because I know that other people don't really like to associate with me too much, because they just want to get their work done and go away. So I don't want to take up too much of your time on this, you know. I could start drawing if you'd like. I'll get a ruler so I could draw a straight line, because I can't do it without one. Even with the ruler, I can't even draw a straight line sometimes, so if you could please help me. Thank you. I really appreciate you being so kind to me. Oh, what's your name? That's a really nice name. It's really great to meet you today. I hope that after this project we can still talk, maybe even be friends, you know? Sorry, I don't mean to intrude. I'll just stop talking. I shouldn't have said anything. Do you want me to draw some examples? Okay. Here. Sorry, I dropped my pencil. I'll go grab it. It's okay. I didn't mean to grab your hand. I just didn't expect you go for my pencil. You really didn't need to, but thank you for doing it anyway. I really appreciate it. Well, I guess that's the end of the project. Do you want to sign our names and turn it in? Oh, no. We don't have to rush or anything. We could spend some time improving it, if you want. Oh, okay. We could color it a little bit and then put our names on it and then turn it in, so we can get a better grade for the effort we put in, because I think that other people are already done. Okay, thank you for working on the project with me today, and I hope that my little carbon lesson was helpful to you. I try my best to explain it in a good way. I'm sorry if I confused you in any way. But you seem to write down the information correctly, which is good. But I'll go turn it in. Thank you for your time.